Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to target your competitors' audiences. It's very simple, okay? So first, we look here on my screen. This is part of my Facebook newsfeed. And what you're going to have is these sponsored posts that you're going to see based on your interests, your activity. So because I'm very active on the home improvement space on Facebook, I get a lot of these home improvement ads. So what you would do once you get to see one of these from your competitors is you would click these three dots right here, scroll down to why am I seeing this ad? And then what you would do, you would see the categories that they chose, which actually fit your criteria. So for example, Smart Reno is trying to reach people who Facebook thinks are interested in interior design, DIY, and more. They're also trying to reach people who speak English. They're also trying to reach people who are over 18 years old, and they're trying to reach people in Toronto, which is where I currently am. Now, what you can do, it says interior design, DIY, and more, which means they're also targeting other than those. And let's see, you click on the arrow, and they're targeting also renovation. So they're just doing 3 here. Okay, so you can see these are the 3 that they're targeting. Now, if you're not seeing ads, from home improvement, what I would advise you to do, go into the pages of some of your competitors, maybe into some home improvement groups. And what happens then, first, if you go into your competitors, they might be retargeting for people who went onto their Facebook pages, which they should be doing generally. So you would start getting the ads almost right away. Okay. But otherwise, once we go back here, you can see and more. Now, what you can do as well to kind of get a better idea of how you're being targeted is review all of your interests. So what you would do, you would open this up, and you should be able to see a list of all your interests. So here we are. So you can see here, just these are first few: lead generation, AppSumo, Shopify, DIY, mortgage loans. There's probably going to be like a big list for everything. But you can see here and if you don't want to be targeted for any of these, you can always remove it, okay? But going back here, you see these, and I would advise to look at multiple of your competitors to see maybe where they, have similar targeting, or just to get more ideas. What you would do then, you would go into your ads manager, and you would target them as well, right? So you can target here in the detailed targeting. Here we go. And you would do also interior design and any other ones that you see that are fitting for you. Now, what I would say is that when you're targeting such broad terms, your ads might be more expensive because everybody is going to be auctioning their ads to target people with those broad terms. So if you can find a bit more detailed targeting, that will be better. It'll be a bit cheaper, and you're going to get your own sub niche of audiences. So that's just a very quick how to target your competitors' audiences. If you have any more questions, please let me know. Thank you very much.